To the haters, doubters, and non-crypto supporters, this news might hit you like a bang, but this is harsh reality. Yes, big tech giants like Instagram, Twitter have already accepted the NFT technology, and just from the recent words as suggested by Mark Zuckerberg, they are into the final phase of testing related to integrating NFT on Instagram platforms. Yes, NFT creators will now be able to upload their NFTs and their post will be titled as collectible post, as you can see in some of the screenshots, and they have started this testing and they might roll out these features in upcoming weeks, and you can expect them to see on your Instagram accounts really soon. Since we all know that Twitter is already allowing you to upload your NFT arts by taking a very small amount of gas free, and exactly like that, Instagram will also let you to upload your digital art as a collectible on Instagram. As we have received the news from legit sources that Instagram is going to support Ethereum, Polygon and Solana. Earlier we have seen that even OpenSea was also supporting Ethereum, Polygon and Solana, though now OpenSea is also supporting much more. But if we quickly talk about what exactly the NFT is, then I must say that fungible word might be a confusing word for you. You can replace that fungible word from irreplaceable. So it is an irreplaceable digital art of which you are a sole owner, and you can keep that as your own collectible, you can say, and people can buy it from you. If you really want to understand that what exactly the NFT is, please comment down that we want a video on what is NFT, and I would love to make a separate video on what exactly the NFT is. But just for a news, if you're still wondering that NFT and these cryptocurrencies and these are all hoax, then my dear friend, if tech giants like Twitter and Instagram, they are accepting it, then you should not stay behind in learning all about the digital currencies and NFT, of which we are going to talk a lot about that on this channel. If you're talking about digital currencies, then next update that I would like to give you is related to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has lost its 50% price from November 2021. In last November 2021, I would like to remind you, then Bitcoin has touched its ATH, that is all-time high on 68,000 mark. Along with Bitcoin, even the Ethereum has touched 3000 ATH, and it was going way above. So this is the highest fall we have seen from last ATH, that is of almost about 50%, you can say. Though people are suggesting that this could be the right time for you to buy cryptocurrencies, but some of the researchers are also suggesting that the fall is yet to come. You can expect the much lower prices. But just to stay clear, we don't give any financial advices on this channel. We just give you the updates regarding what is going around in tech. So the last update is related to Adar Poonawalla. So Mr. Adar Poonawalla has tweeted Elon Musk, and he has suggested that you need to invest in India to open up your Tesla plant. Since if we talk about Mr. Nitin Gadkari, our transport minister, he is suggesting that we are not in a favor to import Teslas from your China plant in India. And also one more problem that Tesla is facing in India is that India is looking to charge 100% of import duty, which is really a huge amount, in order to bring Tesla in affordable prices in India, which is why Mr. Adar Poonawalla has suggested that you should really invest some of your money in opening a plant in India, and this could be a really fruitful one for you. So since we have seen that recently Tesla has also assigned a team in India in order to research about these stuff, so you should keep on watching in order to stay updated regarding these kind of updates, that what Tesla is doing next or what is going around into the tech world exactly on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon in order to get tech updates straight away as a notification into your mobile phones. But that's it for today's tech update. But until then, stay raw and stay teched.